I'm working on another FPS map, and I wanted to show off my buildings that you can see on screen because I've got my Unreal project up. This project is brand new, and I'm kind of on an FPS kick right now, so I wanted to do a much larger project than what I typically do. Because normally when I do FPS maps, I'm trying to do it like as quick and as fast as possible because it's not like they're never like the main project that I'm working on, so they're always like a side thing. But for this one, I wanted to do something bigger, and I wanted to do like a Call of Duty 4, Modern Warfare 2 inspired FPS map because those are my favorites. So I'm using those games kind of as my references, and I'm kind of pulling I'm basically taking screenshots of those games and pulling my references from that and building buildings inspired on those buildings. And I guess you can so I guess the theme is like generic Middle Eastern war zone because that's kind of what those games were set in. But these are my buildings, and I'm going to talk through a little bit of how I'm building these, and then I'm going to talk about uh, some other methods that I may try that I haven't tried yet. But these are built in parts. So essentially, I'm building the parts, and then I'm building them in Unreal. So if we look at, let's say, this building here, we've got each balcony is like its own thing, which I pulled from here. This like awning is its own thing. Same thing with this, the air conditioning unit and the satellites. So a lot of these parts that you see on this building are separate FBX objects that I've brought in and then applied it. And each one of these FBX objects has their own LODs. So everything has like 3 LODs, and every LOD needs to have like light map UVs and everything that you would do for like a regular FBX object. Let's look at the other buildings here. So this one is very similar to this building. They're using the same assets. You can see some plants out on some of these balconies. That air conditioning unit, once again, we've got the electrical box out here, more air conditioning unit, balconies, satellites. It's all separate. And I thought this would make it a bit easier for if I just, in Blender, I can kind of mock up some buildings, use the same assets over and over again, and hopefully that way I would be able to get a whole bunch of buildings that I would need for this FPS map that I have yet to map out. I don't really know what this map is going to look like. For the building itself, all the doors and the windows are joined together. So this is actually like one object. And the LODs of that, what I did is like I created actually let's look at Blender. If we go to the Blender project, you can see all of the like doors and window and the parts of the buildings are kind of just sitting around over here. And I mock up a building like this, and then I export the parts. And so the LODs for each one of these, if I isolate this object, let's go to building 1 LOD 0. This is like a 10,000 triangle building. It's got all these parts attached to it. And then LOD 1 is like the same thing duplicated, but I just kind of took off a bunch of edges and stuff. Making it so instead of 10,000 triangles, this one's 7,500 triangles. And I did that for each one. And I also did that for all the parts of it. So everything's got LODs. These plants I pulled from, a lot of these are from, it's from the McMansion project that I made and the Japanese inspired house that I 3D modeled. So I pulled those plants in here, and then I've created, actually I didn't create any LODs for these. I just kind of left them how they are. But yeah, those are the parts. So with these, one thing that you could do, and which I think I'm going to play with, is you could build out, let's take one of these, let's take building 3 LOD 0. So we've got this building. It's 6,000 triangles. What you could do is you could just build out the building using all the parts that I've modeled, and then you could bring in a cube and scale it up and like reshape this cube to be the exact shape of the building that you want to make a lower poly version of. And then you can unwrap that cube, and then you can do a texture bake and bake all that information onto the cube. So instead of having a 6,000 triangle building, you'll have a 12 triangle building because it's just a cube. And then you can take all these like parts that we've exported out in Unreal, and you can like put all this stuff on there. So I think I'm going to try to do that. I was thinking about only doing that for some of the LODs, but I actually think it could be worth doing it just like for the building itself. So I guess I'll show you that if I ever do that, if I ever move forward with this project. So we can duplicate or delete that. Looking at some of the other stuff over here that I have and just some stuff that I'm working on. This is a building I'm making using all the same parts that I've already 3D modeled. This building is just, the only thing different about this is it has an interior. So, you know, it's not done, so there's nothing really special about it, but it's a building that I'm making. I have no idea what the layout of this map is going to be. I'm thinking of copying a layout from Call of Duty, like maybe a small one. I was thinking about taking the layout to Chinatown, which is a COD 4 map. That one didn't seem too complicated. So that might just be what it is. The other thing that I have over here is this escalator, and I'm going to show you it because I'm really proud of this escalator. I 3D modeled this like probably over a year ago for a FPS map that I never ended up finishing. And I thought, you know, I've got this escalator. It looks really good, and I really like it. I could maybe build a building and throw these escalators in there, or throw at least one escalator in there. But I just want to use it. I don't know. So yeah, that's why it's in this project. But that's basically it. I just wanted to show you my buildings, and you know, maybe if you learned something, that's cool. Will I ever finish this project? There's a possibility that no, I won't. I won't ever finish it, but I might. You know, we'll see how long it takes and how dedicated I end up being for this project. Like I said, the FPS stuff and the Pavlov stuff is never really like my main projects right now. Like my main projects right now are some Black Hat stuff. And that's kind of what I'm focusing on the most. But in my free time, I've made these buildings. So, and they're pretty cool. But that's it. That's all I got. Okay, bye.